what if everything you've been told about black holes is not true? They do not absorb matter. They have no mass. They are not at the center of galaxies, and they are not what they show in movies. Sounds crazy, but it can be proven. Let me try now. Modern science believes that a black hole is the result of the collapse of a massive star. When nuclear fuel runs out, the star collapses under its own gravity, turning into a black hole. If the mass of the collapsing star is greater than 3 solar masses, nothing will stop the collapse. An object with infinite density forms at the center, a point at the center of a black hole. All the mass is compressed into an infinitely small volume. Density and gravity become infinite. At this point, space and time are curved to the limit, and modern laws of physics become powerless. Gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape. In our galaxy, up to 1,000 black holes are presumed to exist. And at the center, a supermassive one, billions of solar masses. A beautiful theory. But let's think a little. First, scientists still do not know what even electric current actually is, or what gravity is. They operate with concepts whose nature is unknown to them. Second, the problem of primordial black holes. Scientists assume they formed right after the Big Bang, 14 billion years ago. But even if we suppose that one tiny black hole arose back then, by now it would have long since swallowed the entire universe. Yet, the universe exists, so something is wrong with the theory itself. And third, scientists cannot explain what causes gas and dust clouds to collapse into stars. They see the result, but do not understand the cause. They operate with concepts like in the old parable about the elephant. They study the trajectory of its movement across the savannah, without wondering where it even came from. What if I told you that a black hole is not an object? It is a process, not matter, but a phenomenon. Imagine, a black hole has a mass unequal to 0. It appears out of nowhere and disappears into nowhere. It is immaterial, like a thought. You cannot weigh it, cannot touch it, but it exists, and it can change the world. A black hole is not a hole. It is the immune system of the universe. It appears where there is pathological matter, so-called defective areas of space that cause field disturbances that need to be eliminated, and it destroys them. But matter in the universe consists of ordered information. To make it clearer, imagine it as a Lego set, but with invisible information blocks, very small. They connect according to a certain plan principle and create the visible world, stars, planets, people. When matter enters the zone of a black hole, this happens. Gravity is such that it pushes the information blocks apart from each other, and they break loose from their places. As soon as the order of arrangement interaction of the blocks is disrupted, matter ceases to exist. It simply disappears, like the whole of a donut when it has been eaten. But matter disappears, but the information blocks themselves do not go anywhere. They are indestructible. The black hole pushes them away, preserving the information. Paradox: a black hole does not destroy it, freeze information. Imagine an eraser erasing a pencil mark on paper. The writing is erased, but the paper remains. The size of a black hole depends on the amount of defective matter that needs to be destroyed. It's like mowing grass, a small patch on a hand mower, a whole field, a big tractor or combine. After the destruction of matter, what remains is debris, clouds of dust and gas, fragments of stars, already destroyed matter. That is exactly what scientists find in their telescopes, mistaking it for remnants of something gigantic. In reality, it's just traces of cleanup. Yes. And in the cores of galaxies, there are no black holes. Completely different laws operate there. But about that, next time. A black hole is what can be called true emptiness, nothing. And from this nothing, everything is born. But let's return to the information blocks. If even one information block disappears, the entire entire universe would disappear. But they do not disappear. Why? Because the universe was created according to a plan, and it lives by its own laws. Think about it at night, when you look at the stars.